Let's make roast beef sandwiches. First up, the horseradish cream. 2 cups of sour cream, 1/3 cup of prepared horseradish, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sprinkle in some chives, season with salt and pepper, give it a quick whisk, and there's your horseradish cream. Next up, the spicy cheese sauce. Over medium heat, butter. Once the butter has melted, in goes the flour. Cook for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Pour in whole milk. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture thickens. Then add the cheese of your choice. This is a buffalo wing hot sauce cheddar. Pour into the serving vessel of your choice. Set it off to the side until the end. For the beef portion of the recipe, this is a 4-pound bone-in rib roast. Season all over with salt. Place in the refrigerator to dry brine from 3 to 48 hours. For the rub, unsalted butter and rainbow peppercorns. Brush the butter mixture all over the meat. Into a roasting pan, your aromatics. So onions, shallots, celery, and carrots. Place your meat right on top of the rack. Bake at 250 degrees for 2.5 to 3 hours. Back into the oven it goes, this time under the broiler, for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the fat cap has melted. Slice your meat as thin as possible. For the au jus, into a frying pan, the pan drippings from the roast, and the red wine of your choice. Bring up to a boil over high heat. Once it's reduced by half, pour in beef broth, then bring that up to a boil. Once again, reduce by half. Pour through a strainer, pour into the serving vessel of your choice. Onto a toasted onion roll goes a horseradish cream. Dip your meat into the au jus, place onto the bun, drizzle with a spicy cheese sauce, and finally, the top bun. And once more, the horseradish cream. Dip the meat into the gravy, stack it high, and on goes the top bun. And there we have it, roast beef sandwiches.